Welcome to a new Cosmic Retrieval. Today we have something very special. A snack all the way from Japan. Check it out. Shasham! Pokkis, milk chocolate and green tea matcha. Konnichiwa. Japanese snacks. Let's inspect the packaging first. For the milk chocolate we have a nice bright red colored cardboard. I like this. Ooh, and a good source of fiber. That's good. You need a fiber for your body. And over here we have certified sustainable palm oil. Now palm oil not good, but at least it's sustainable, so something great. And yeah, I guess this means halal. I have seen the same sign in like ramen noodles, buldak ramen. And here we have the nutrient information. Let's see. It has 17 grams of sugar, so that's not so bad. I mean, it has a chocolate, so of course it's gonna have sugar. And 4 grams of fiber. Are they really calling it great source of fiber with only 4 grams? Well, I guess it's better than nothing. And it has Thailand text for some reason. I think this is Thai import, but the origin is Japan. Ooh, I forgot to mention the company. Glico. Is it Glico? Yeah, Glico is the company that makes these. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh. It comes in a foil bag. Wow, look at this. This is great color. I like this. Usually they just make it one color, so plain, so boring. But they put some pattern here with their company logo. That's nice. Oh, here comes the money shot. Boom. Look. They actually made this so smart. Look. I thought the chocolate part will be here on top, but it's actually this other part on top. So you can take easy hold of it without making your hands messy. That's great. So I don't know how many it comes with. It looks about 20 maybe. There's plenty of them for you to enjoy. Yeah. This is the milk chocolate. Let's see about the green tea Milky Matcha. Ooh, matcha is a good flavor. I tried it in Japan and it's great. This one has less sugar, only 13 grams of sugar. So green tea one more healthy, I think. Also it has natrium. Natrium, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I guess natrium is good. The box empty. This is also nice packaging. Look at this. Green. ASMR video. Yeah, I expect this to be the same. Yup. About 20 in there. Ooh, look at this. Oh, it's not as green as I would expect. Look. Well, it's the same on the packaging. Maybe a little bit color correction on the packaging, but almost the same. Yeah. Let's go ahead and taste them up. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Pokkis, Japanese snack, taste any good. Now, which one should we start with? Do you want the red pill or the green pill? No, I think we should start with the matcha one, because this one had less sugar. Always start with the one with less sugar. So when you go to more sugary one, otherwise you won't taste it at all. If you start with the more sugary one and you go with the one with less sugar, it's just gonna taste bad. So let's start with the green tea. The smell. I can actually smell some milk here as well as the green tea. Really interesting flavor. Like, I once went to Japan and they had like this Kit Kat with matcha, and this is almost the same. Oh, can't wait. Look, matcha, Milky Matcha, Pokkī. Let's try it. Oh, it's crunchy. And it's tasty. This is good snack. Let's go 2 time. You can definitely taste matcha in there. And it's a rich flavor. The Milky Matcha. Did they put any milk in this? Let's see. Yup. It's 35% flour with 22% sugar. And then we have 9% milk powder. And 0.6% green tea powder. So yeah, milk and green tea together, it's a great combination. This, really great, not too sugary, like only 30 grams of sugar, just as expected. But the green tea flavor is making up for it, the less of sugar. Green tea makes everything taste good without any added sweetness or flavors. Like, I really wonder how the matcha is made. Is it just grinded green tea leaves? I have to check that out later. There, Pokkī's Milky Matcha, great. But now, let's try the milk chocolate. Now this is some familiar chocolate smell. It smells really sweet and rich. It's not like a Kinder Bueno smell or Ferrero chocolate smell. Those are more mild, but this, ooh, I have to taste it first. So, this is the stick. Let's try it. Yup. Much sweeter than the green tea one. I like how it doesn't have too much chocolate. Like, it's mostly about this flour stick here. The chocolate cover, it's really thin. Now let's try two time. Now I know what it reminds me of. It's like the same kind of chocolate they put on the ice creams, the ice cream cover. %8 cocoa powder in this one. And also we have some milk powder here. We have some, oh, this is interesting. They have 35% of flour and then 2% full grain flour. Like, how can you commercial yourself be full of fiber when you could have used the whole flour with full grain flour, but instead use only 2% full grain powder? That is a scam. I think they can improve this to make it even healthier. Yeah, one more time. To be honest, green tea much better in my opinion, even though it has less sugar. The chocolate in this, it's not so high quality chocolate. Like, it's one of those cheap chocolates that you get from like a Christmas calendar, you know, the Christmas calendar chocolate. You know, I wanna try combination. Let's take green tea and milk chocolate together and see what we can taste. Whoa, that's actually interesting mix. You know what's funny? Even though I took same amount, I took even less green tea, look. But somehow the green tea flavor overtook the chocolate flavor. That's how strong this green tea flavor is. Great snack made by Japanese company Glico. Very famous also, like, I think they have this in the animes, Japanese cartoons. Everybody knows this, like. yeah, definitely recommend the Milky Matcha rather than the just milk chocolate. This one was not so great in my opinion, maybe like 8 out of 10 or 7.5 out of 10. Like, it's just a basic snack. But this one, this is perfect. This, I give this 9.5 out of 10. Like, the only thing they could have made better is add more green tea covering on this one. You see, it's so thin cover of green tea that, you know, you can almost feel it in your mouth when you put it. Like, there's too much thick, not enough green tea. Yeah, now that I think about it, it's pretty flowery. You can taste the flower. The green tea should be more dominant in this one, I think. Yeah. Glico, Japanese snacks. Thanks for watching this review. I will put link below if you wanna buy this from Amazon. And yeah, 9.5 out of 10, 7.5 out of 10. Thank you for watching, and please comment below if you want me to try some other like Pocky flavors. I will go and buy them if I can find them. But yeah, thanks for watching. This has been Consumer Good Expert, and I'll see you guys in the next epic consumer goods review. Thank you.